Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to see statistic for 11th standard. For 11th standard we are going to see. Okay, so today one more important concept we are going to see, that is combined mean we are going to see. So last class we are seeing mean, various type we have seen. Today we are going to see combined mean. Combined mean we are going to see. What's a combined mean means? For example, we are having two means, that is we have x1 bar and then we have x2 bar, and for x1 we have number of data n1, for x2 we are having number of data n2. These are the two. This is mean 1 we can say, this is mean 2 we can say. We are having these two. We want to find the combined mean of this one is so simple. We can do it as n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. This is the last formation of combined concept in mean. So let me see one example. We are having example of 5.6. A class consisting consists of 4 boys and 3 girls. So we are having 4 boys and 3 girls. The average mark obtained by the boys and girls are 20 and 30 respectively. We are saying it's a respectively. Now what they are asking, find the class average. Find the class average. This we need to calculate. Okay, so in this case you can see how many boys are there. 4 boys. How many girls are? 3 girls. Average mark of boys is 20, average girls is 30 is there. Find the class average they are asking. So now you can see here, so boys we can take here, another we are taking girls here. Okay, so boys is how many is there? 4. How many girls are there? 3. What their average? Boys is 20, girls is how much? 30 is there. I have written like this, which means this is n1 value is 4, x1 bar is average is this one 20. Similarly n2 value is 3 and x2 bar value is what here we are having 30. This is the thing we are having here. Now we need to find the class average, means boys and girls are together in one class. Therefore they are asking what? Combined mean only they are asking. They are asking combined mean only. Why? Because in a class both boys and girls will together will be there. That's why we need to find combined mean. We need to find combined mean. So here combined mean formula is n1 x1 plus n2 x2 divided by n1 plus n2. This is the formula we are going to use here. Now what's the n1 for? What's the x1 bar? Bar means mean. So n is 4 into 20 plus 3 into 30 divided by 4 plus 3. N plus 3 is 4 plus 3. We can write it here. So now you can see 4 2s are 8. So 80 will come, plus 3 3s are 9 and that 0 90 will come. So divided by 4 plus 3 is how much it's coming? 7 it's coming. Alright. So 80 plus 90 is how much we are getting? 170 we are getting, divided by 7 we need to do it. So you can use calculator or you can use by as usual division method. I have written here 170 divided by 7. So what's the value it's coming? You can see 24.285. So that we can write 24.2857 is that. So that 4 decimal I have written. You want, you round it off, this will become 29. So our wish we can do, this is the thing. So this is the way we can calculate the combined mean. So that's all about the mean. Next we will go to geometrical mean. How we are going to calculate geometrical means we will see. Next we are going to see geometric mean. We will say in short GM. Okay, that's a formula of geometric mean. So how we are going to find that geometrical mean? Let's see. Here also we are having data. So data is there. Data is further classified into two type, that is group, another is ungroup. We can write here. Here I am writing group. Then we have discrete type, and then we have it is a discrete. Here it is continuous. This is the way we are having 4. So let's formula will be how now? Geometrical mean, which is equals to anti-log of sigma log xi divided by n. This is the value for this formula, ungrouped data we are going to see. Similarly, there is a formula for discrete type. What's the formula for discrete type is? Let's see here. So that is same will come here, anti-log of sigma fi into log xi divided by n. Fi into log xi divided by n. This is the formula will come. Fi into will come here. Don't get confused. That's the thing we are having for this case. Similarly, for this also, what is for continuous type also the same formula, but the finding the value is differ will come. So this is the way of finding geometrical mean. 2 we have ungrouped data. For grouped data this formula, and for ungrouped data, grouped data this formula. For discrete and continuous formula is same. So you can see both the formula. Here also anti-logarithm there, sigma is there. Here log xi is there, but here extra factor fi is there. Log xi divided by n divided by both you can use here capital. So this is the way of finding geometrical mean. Data is an group data is the same formula, but except here there won't be fi, here it will be fi will be there. For group it will be fi will be there. For ungroup there won't be fi. So in this way we can calculate the geometrical mean. Let's see one problem here. So one problem, example 5.7 is there. What's the 5.7 is saying? You just see here the problem. Calculate the geometrical mean of the annual percentage growth rate of the profit in business corporate from the year 2000 to 2005 is given below. You can see data are separately is there, 50, 72, 54, 82, 93 is there, which means this is raw data. That is raw data. This data is what we can say raw, we can say, or we can say ungrouped data. Ungrouped data we can say. So that you keep it in mind. Is that clear? Okay. So now what's the formula for finding a geometrical mean? GM. What's the formula for finding geometrical mean? Anti-logarithm of what? Sigma log xi by n. You write small n or capital N, your wish. That is the thing we need to do here. So let's we take the value, frame this one as a tabular column, then we calculate. First we must know what is xi, because in this one the xi is the what's that x now? This data only. What is that one? 50, 72, 54, 82, 93. This is nothing but xi. So now we are going to find log xi. The value of log xi we need to find. So that is new to you. Let's we calculate. It's not an issue at all. So we have to deal with the patiently. So that is very important in this case, right? Okay, let's we frame this one, and we will find, if you add all this one, we are getting what? Sigma log xi will get. So this is the thing we'll get. So n value, what's the n? How many data are 1 2 3 4 5? So here n value we can write it as a 5, and this log xi, summation log xi value we need to calculate. We have to write it here. That value will come here. So for finding logarithm, we must know logarithmic table. See how many numbers are there, how many digits are there here. Here we are having 2 digit 50. 2 digit now 1 you write it. 2 digit 1 you reduce it, what will come? 1. So first, this is nothing but characteristic. Okay, here it's a point is that it's not a number, it is like a two-way. We have, for any logarithm we have two part. One is after decimal one part will be there, before decimal one part is there. Before decimal we call it as a characteristic, after decimal you call it as a mantissa. That we have to calculate. See, for any number how many digits are there here? 50 is there. It carries how many digit? 5 1 digit 0. So totally we are having 2 digits. So 1 you reduce it, 2 minus 1, answer is what will come? 1. For example, in this way only you are going to calculate. For example, I am writing here roughly, if I am in 567, so it is having how many digits here? 3 digits. Then what will be the characteristic? Not 2 point will come. If I am having 4 6 7 8, means it is having how many digits here? Totally 4 digits is having, so that's why it will come 3 points. So this is, in this way we have to calculate what characteristic. Okay, so this is how many digit? So 2 digit 1, this 2 digit 1, here also 2 digit 1, here also 2 digit 1 will come. So all the characteristic are same, so that is nothing but we are saying as a 1. But now we need to, after decimal we need to calculate. How we are going to calculate? For that one we need logarithmic table. That's very important, which I will show in your book itself. It is available in your book, or you can purchase from your market, stationary market shop. You go and then as logarithmic table they will give it. Just a minute, I will take book. You can see in this way, here it is a table. What is written? Logarithmic. Log will say short first 3 letters, but logarithmic table we have. Now we need to find the value of 50. We have found characteristic. We need to find mantissa. What is the value? 50. You just check it here. Just a minute. You just check it here. Number is there. This column and this column is very important. Okay. Blue color. Okay. And this gray and then pink is the value we need to. Here you just forget about points. No need to check the points. You check the 50 where it will be 50. You can see 50. Here 5 point is there. Forget about points, only see numbers. What is that one? 5.0. That is nothing but if you remove the decimal point, now it will be what? 50. So here the value of 50 is there. Next number is there? No, that you need to consider as a 0. So therefore, what is the value of 50? You can see here, if it is coming straight away here, 50 0 now, you can see in the top here it is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is there. So the 7 8 9 is that, and mean difference is that I will tell you how we are going to calculate. Just first, so 50 now for 0 here is there, 50 here it is there. So 50, what's the value? You can see here, what's the value is that? You just carefully see. 50 value is 0.699. I will just little bit, I will bring to close to you. You can see what's the value of 50 here. What's the value of 50? 0.6990. So that you write it as 6990. That we need to write here. Is it clear? Okay. So that's the value of written. Next is what we have, 72. So you can see here where it is 72. So up to 5.4. So we will go to the next page. It will be here. Just a minute. You can see next page also up to 100 will be there. So up to 99 is there. You can see here 99 is that. We need, what's the number? 72. So where is 72? You check here, it is there. What is the value of 72? 0.8513. 0.8513. So that you need to write 0.8513. So this way you can see. Next number is what? 54. 54, again you take this one. 54 is here. What is the value? 0.7324. 7324 value will come. Next, what is that? 82. 82, where it will be there, you just check it here. So here is 82. What is the value? 0.9134. So you write it as 9138 is that. Carefully see and write. Next we have 93. So again you will see 93 is here. Where it is? Just a minute. 93 is here. What is the value it's coming? You can check here. What is the value? 93 value is what we are getting. 9685. 9685 value will be there. This you take it off. Before taking the ready, you must see this is logarithm or not, because we have one more thing. This is anti-logarithm, that also you need to see. Okay, in exam also they will give this value, no need to worry about it. Now you just total it. We have to add it. I will use calculator. You have to you can use calculator in your exam also. That's why I'm using this calculator here. You can see what's the first value. I'm just goes on using this calculator. I will calculate here. So for you, so what's that value it's coming? You can check and tell me now. Okay. So first value is what we are getting. 1.6990 plus next point is 1.8513. Next point 1.7324 plus next point 1.9138. Then next we have 1.9685 value is there. In this way we got everything. You just add it. What you are getting? 9.165. We are getting 9.165. 9.165 we are getting. You just write it here. Okay, so we got. See, now I have checked this one. So this is 1.857 will come. This is what will come? 7. Okay, this is will come 7. So that you keep it in mind. So that this value is 1.8573 will come. This is the thing. Okay, that you keep in mind. If you total this one, this value will come 9.1710 will come. Okay, in some book this value may be different. It's not an issue at all. Okay, you can, what it is given to you logarithmic table form, that you just follow it, that is enough. So we got the value of everything. We know what's the value of n, we know what's the value of log xi. So now we need to substitute in formula, we need to calculate. Let's we calculate. Now you can see geometrical mean formula. What's the geometrical formula? Anti-logarithm of summation log xi by n is the formula. So now anti-log of summation log xi value, what we got it here, 9.17. You can see here 9.1710. So 9.1710 is that, divided by n value. N value what is that? 5. So that you write it as 5. So divided by 5. So now anti-log of, we need to calculate this one. So I am using again calculator. What it's coming? So I have the value is 9.1710. This is the value I have written, divided by 5. So I have divided 5 here. So the divided by 5, what's the value it's coming now? 1.834. 1.8342 will come. So this is the value we are getting. So now after this one, we need to take anti-logarithm. So how we convert that real number into logarithmic number, and now after the logarithmic number we need to take it as a anti-logarithm to get the original number that we need to calculate. So again I need to use what? The tabular column. I will take just a minute. Now you can see the value we need to take. This is 1 point. This is 1 point. So 1 is characteristic, remaining 8342 are Mantissa. So now we will take 83. In 83, 4 we need to check. After that one, the 2 value. But in previous case, while we are taking logarithm, only 2 digit is there. Whereas now here 4 digit is there. So carefully do it. That also we are going to take for anti-logarithm. While you are taking table, it should be what? Anti-logarithm. In the book, laws is there. So in anti-logarithm, what's the value you need to take? In 83, 4 you must check. In 83, here you can see up to what is that? 49 only. So we need to go to the next page for to get the 83 value. So you can see here it is 83 is there. It's 83. Now we need to check what? In 83, just a minute. In 83, what's the value? In 83, 4. Now in 83, 4 now. In 83, simultaneously 4. Where is the 4? This one. Gray color. So it will come. You just slowly drag it. In 83, where it's coming? Here 83, here also 83. This is the value it's coming. Isn't it or not? 83 and 4 is there. What's the value? 6.8. 6.823. 6. I'm writing here roughly 6.823. 823 is there. I have written. So I have taken 83, 4. Now we have 2. The 2 you are going to see in mean difference here. So 2 value you see here 83 is here, isn't it? Or 83. Now say similarly you see this is the value for 1, this is the value of 2. So here it is how much? 3 is there for 2. From here you 2 you take it, so it's coming straight away where it is. Here it's coming, the value is what it's coming 3. So therefore your 6.823 is there. You just add 3. So you are getting 6.823 plus 3, 6 will come. Forget about this number points, these are all things. You just write a number is what? 6826. 6826 you get it. Here what's the characteristic? 1. That is 1 is nothing but 1 digit. In logarithm you subtracted. No, here you added. 1 you added, not 2 will come. 1 is there, not 2. So the value is 68.26. In this way we need to find. That is the value for GM, geometrical mean, for the given data. So that you keep it in mind. Is it clear? So that's a way of finding GM. Okay, in this way we have to calculate the geometrical mean. I will give some few numbers. You find logarithm for that one. Okay. So in this way we can easily calculate the how to take a logarithm value. We can easily understand. We'll see next problem. Example. Next example we are going to see 5.8. The population in the city increased at the rate of 15% and 25% to successive year. So 2 years they are increasing 15% and 20%. In the next year it decreased at the rate of 5%. They have find the average rate of the growth. When it's coming population, definitely we are going to see geometrical mean only. Okay, that you keep it in mind when it's coming a population means. So we population increase is there. Population increase symbol is this one. Likewise we can write or decrease. Upward arrow mark is increase, downward arrow mark is decrease. And then next we have to write how much. Before doing this one we must know one basic rule. Here percentage is given. So percentage is usually will take for percentage. Usually percentage is calculating for 100 only. Percentage is means 100. So what we are going to take, let take population as 100. Population as 100. Number 100 we will take. Okay, population is, for example, in your house 100 members. That is, that house is country or whatever you can take. No, not issue. So that is the thing we have. Population increase or decrease. First year how much? 15% increase. For understanding purpose I am writing. Next one 25% increase. For for understanding. Next 5% decrease at the rate of 5% is there. So that's why I'm writing 5% decrease for understanding purpose. Understanding purpose. Now population at the end of the year. At the end of the year I'm writing. So that is nothing but xi we can take. So total how much is the population? 100. How much I have taken? 100. Now for 15% increase now, for 115 increase now, 100 plus 15. So how much you are getting? 115. So here 25% increase now, 100 plus 25. How much it's coming? 125 will come. Is it clear? The next one 5% is what? Decrease, which means from 100 how much it's subtracted? Minus 5. So that is nothing but we are getting 95. So this is xi. Now we need to take log xi. So just frame it like this tabular column. So now we need to take log xi here. So again here characteristic we will write. How many digits are there? 3 digits. So 3 minus 1 2. So 2 point will come. Here how many digit is there? 3. So answer is 2 point will come. Here how many digit is there? 1. 2 is there. So that's why it's coming 1. Now we need to take a logarithm for this one. So let's take that logarithm for this one. I have to take logarithm table in the last. So that's very important here. So first 12 is 115. So 11 5. So 11 is that first number itself here 11. In this 11 5. 5 is here, 11 is here, 5 is here, 11 is there. Straight away where it's coming? 0.0607. 0607. You just carefully see 060607. 060607. So that I am going to write here as 0607. So next is 125. 12 5. 12. So where it's 12? Here. Here it is 12. 12 5 means 5 it's coming here, 12 it's coming here. Here our answer is what it's coming? 0.0969. 0969. So that you write it as 0969. You can write it. Now we need to take for 95. So 95 now you can see 95. There is no number. So there is no number. Definitely you have to take 0. What's the value it's coming for 95? 0.977. 0.977 is coming. 777. So that you write it 0.977. That you write it. Now for 95 0.9. Sorry, not 0. So 0.977. So 777 it's coming. Now we need to add all this one. So I'm again using calculator. So we will use that one. What it's coming you just see. So therefore it's coming 2.0607. So plus next we have 2.0969. The next one what we have? Plus 1. I have written wrong here. It's 2 points. I have written 20. So carefully see this one. It's point. So 2.067 I have written, and then 2.96, 2.0969. So that I have written. The next we have 1.9777. So the value it's coming as 6 point. You can see 6.1353. So you are getting 6.5315. This is the value. Okay. So now we need to find geometrical mean. What is the formula for geometrical mean? Anti log of sigma log xi by n. Sigma log xi by n. This is the formula we are going to find. So here the value for this one is anti log of what you are going to write 6.1353 divided by how many? 3 years. So here 3 years, the n value is 3, so divided by 3. So that you need to calculate. You just divide it by 3. So the same value I am going to divide it by 3, you get it. So you are getting 2 point, that is anti log of what you are getting 2.0451 you are getting. That you keep it in mind. So now we need to calculate that one. We have to take anti-logarithm. Let's eliminate. We will take anti-logarithm. I have taken anti-logarithm. So now what's the value? 2 you leave it. That is characteristic. Now 0451. For 045 you check. See 045. In 045 you check it. So 04 in 5. So 5 is where here. So this value is 0.04 and then 5 value. You take it now 1 point. What's coming? You just see 1.109. You can see 1.109. So we are getting 1. I am writing here 1.109. I have taken. So this value is what? 045. Mean 1. My mean difference 1. So mean difference you check it here. So straight away it's 1 now. 1 value is what? It's coming 0. So no need to add anything. The same value you are going to write. So here you write the number 1109. Leave that points are under point we need not 1. Now character is how much is that? 2. So 1 you added not 3. So 2 3 after 3 decimal point should be there. So 1 2 3. So this value is 110.9. So that is the geometrical mean value that you keep it in mind. Is that clear? So that's all about this one. We will see in the next class other type of data. Thank you.